Put groceries in the fridge. Put groceries in the fridge. I'm stuck in the elevator. I'm stuck in the elevator. I trim the dog's fur. I trim the dog's fur. I do sit-ups every morning. I do sit-ups every morning. I got an electric shock. I got an electric shock. I dye my hair at home. I dye my hair at home. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm working on a puzzle. I'm working on a puzzle. This is my lunch tray. This is my lunch tray. Let's load the groceries into the trunk. Let's load the groceries into the trunk. We're waiting in line to pay. We're waiting in line to pay. I'm feeding the chickens. I'm feeding the chickens. He's robbing a bank. He's robbing a bank. You can sit in this seat. You can sit in this seat. I fall asleep on the couch. I fall asleep on the couch. I play games with Dad. I play games with Dad. Let's take a selfie. Let's take a selfie. I need to mow the lawn today. I need to mow the lawn today. I had a C-section. I had a C-section. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. I'm eating ramen for lunch. I'm eating ramen for lunch. Dad will take you to school. Dad will take you to school. I fell off my bike. I fell off my bike. Come into the classroom, everyone. Come into the classroom, everyone. I'm trying to save money. I'm trying to save money. Let's cut paper snowflakes. Let's cut paper snowflakes. Hey, someone is sleeping in class. Hey, someone is sleeping in class. Let's ride bikes to school together. Let's ride bikes to school together. Today we learn about continents. Today we learn about continents. Dry your hands here. Dry your hands here. I buy a sandwich from the vending machine. I buy a sandwich from the vending machine. Stop arguing, please. Stop arguing, please. Color the picture, please. Color the picture, please. You can use a calculator. You can use a calculator. Don't run down the stairs. Don't run down the stairs. I wake up late today. I wake up late today. This test makes me nervous. This test makes me nervous. I reached the finish line. I reached the finish line. I fall asleep watching my tablet. I fall asleep watching my tablet. I can answer, teacher. I can answer, teacher. Play the flute, please. Play the flute, please. Let's read this old book. Let's read this old book. It works. The experiment is successful. It works. The experiment is successful. Put the can in the trash. Put the can in the trash. Don't stand on the chair. Don't stand on the chair. Don't be sad anymore. Don't be sad anymore. Let's paint together. Let's paint together. Wave the colorful pom-poms and cheer. Wave the colorful pom-poms and cheer. She is pregnant and crying on the bench. She is pregnant and crying on the bench. Look at the water with a magnifying glass. Look at the water with a magnifying glass.
My tutor helps me study. My tutor helps me study. Stop arguing with the neighbors. Stop arguing with the neighbors. I'm really happy to meet you. I'm really happy to meet you. I get a scholarship. I get a scholarship. I feel overwhelmed by homework. I feel overwhelmed by homework. Please fasten your seatbelt. Please fasten your seatbelt. I'm learning how to drive a car. I'm learning how to drive a car. Here, drink some cold water. Here, drink some cold water. Be careful, you might trip over the cord. Be careful, you might trip over the cord. The students come to visit me. The students come to visit me. Please wear your school uniform. Please wear your school uniform. I work late on my laptop with coffee. I work late on my laptop with coffee. Here, drink this warm milk. Here, drink this warm milk. Please don't talk during class. Please don't talk during class. Do you understand this part? Do you understand this part? Please erase the board. Please erase the board. Let's learn how to mix colors. Let's learn how to mix colors. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. Today we learn about the solar system. Today we learn about the solar system. The class goes on a field trip. The class goes on a field trip. Look, I catch butterflies with a net. Look, I catch butterflies with a net. I sit on a hammock and use my laptop. I sit on a hammock and use my laptop. I stay up late, but I'm still not done. I stay up late, but I'm still not done. These glasses are too blurry. These glasses are too blurry. I practice calligraphy. I practice calligraphy.
Let's take the train. Let's take the train. Highlight this part. Highlight this part. Today we learn about the globe. Today we learn about the globe. We are learning about plants today. We are learning about plants today. Do your homework now. Do your homework now. Please walk through with your backpack. Please walk through with your backpack. Write it on the board. Write it on the board. Let's make a clay sculpture. Let's make a clay sculpture. Pick a book from the shelf. Pick a book from the shelf. I'm from the U.S. I'm from the U.S. Our school bags match. Our school bags match. Bring your lunchbox to school. Bring your lunchbox to school. Stay under the umbrella. Stay under the umbrella. Mom, I don't want to go to school. Mom, I don't want to go to school. Let's practice swimming. Let's practice swimming. I learn pottery here. I learn pottery here. Pull out the carrot. Pull out the carrot. Stop chatting on your phones. Stop chatting on your phones. Climb the wall slowly. Climb the wall slowly. Dig here for dinosaur fossils. Dig here for dinosaur fossils. Try the VR headset. Try the VR headset. Push me on the swing. Push me on the swing. Put the books on the shelf. Put the books on the shelf. Write a letter to Mom. Write a letter to Mom. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball.